So this is a video of Nadora Intimates packaging. I found the supplier, he's from China, the same way that I'm going to show you guys how to find a supplier. And we communicate through WhatsApp, and I use FedEx for my deliveries. So stay tuned to this video so you can see how you can also find a reliable supplier. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My name is Andile Mkhize and I'm the owner of Nadora Intimates. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new here, I started this channel to help girls start and grow their businesses. So please give this video a thumbs up, ask questions in the comment section, subscribe and hit that notification button. So today's video is on how to buy from Alibaba or how to find a supplier on Alibaba. So you're probably wondering what Alibaba is. So Alibaba is a platform or an app that has manufacturers all over the world, mainly from China, that supply specifically to other businesses. So it's not like AliExpress. AliExpress is like Take-A-Lot, where it's just a bunch of Chinese sellers, like little local stores on AliExpress. And on AliExpress you can buy 1 to 2 items, whether you're buying a wig or you're buying one handbag. So it's catered to customers. That's AliExpress. Alibaba though is catered to specifically for other small to medium sized businesses, meaning they supply in bulk. Hence why you find suppliers there or manufacturers there. And there's a specific way that I'm going to teach you guys on how to find a supplier that is trustworthy, that won't scam you, because there are a lot of scammers in China, everywhere actually. So this will give you a head start in finding your supplier and finding a supplier that you can work long term with, because you never know how far your business can go and what will it be in the future. Buying from Alibaba has a lot of risks because you're buying from manufacturers that you have never met unless you do have the means to go to China, of which most of us don't. So it's full of risks, but Alibaba has put certain measures in place to make sure or to minimize that risk and help you find a proper and a trustworthy supplier. Another thing, you will not find manufacturers for Nike or Louis Vuitton. If you do, that's fake, because those manufacturers are not on Alibaba. Those companies, those big brands, have their own manufacturing centers in China or other Asian countries that provide exclusively for them. So go on the Alibaba app, sign in or register, make sure that the flag at the top is South African. The trick is to search suppliers and not products, because there are a lot of products and suppliers. You will enter what you are trying to sell, whether it's women high heels or baby clothes. Today I'll be making an example of handbag suppliers for women. So the suppliers will come up, and then you will click on trade assurance to make sure your supplier offers that. Then check if it's separated into categories and pick one that's close to what is relevant to you. So now I'll choose handbags. Also check location, because that means suppliers for what you're looking for are in those countries. So I'll choose all. Now we go through suppliers. Please choose suppliers that have more than 4 years experience, that have trade assurance, which is the gold $, and that they are verified. All of those things need to be ticked. So the first one we will go through is Wenzo HEC Fashion International. Go to their profile immediately. You can swipe to see their offices. You can see they have a lot of followers and which company verified them. You can see their response rates, their transactions, and their delivery rates. Business type is extremely important, guys. A business must be a manufacturing and trading company with more than 50 employees. Because if it is less, then how can they possibly manufacture their products? Also see what main products do they offer and go through their reviews. Then go to products to see what they sell, customizations, the products they offer that can have your logo, and the ready to ship items are the ones that are ready to be sent out. The MOQ might be 5 pieces, but don't let that scare you, because you can negotiate. I really like this bag, so let's check it out. Let's look at the prices. They are not specific, but that's their general price. The more you order, the cheaper. They offer customized logo and packaging, which is dope if you have the money to make that investment in the future. And now you can send an inquiry. Make sure you tell them your name, that you're from South Africa, and ask for their WhatsApp number. If they don't have it, it's okay. You guys can communicate on Alibaba. So this is a good supplier. Let's try find another one. Here's Shenzhen Alwyn Gifts. Ignore that 360-degree view that they put that everywhere. I'm not sure why. This is just a trading company with max 50 employees. For me, I want a supplier that can actually make the product, and this is what they sell. Let's continue looking. There's Yiwu Navy bag. Immediately go to their profile. It's a manufacturing and trading company, but they only have 50 employees. That's a bad sign for me, because a manufacturer can't have 50 employees. When will they finish making the products? So next, here's Yiwu Better Culture. They have 14 years, lots of followers. They are a manufacturing and trading company with 100 to 200 employees. Now that makes sense. And it means that they have the means to mass produce. They have pictures of them being a part of trade shows, which is a big thumbs up. It shows me that they are legit, their products are cute, and they have sunglasses. So I definitely send an inquiry again. Don't mind the MOQ. So all in all, we found two potential suppliers that you can WhatsApp and ask for their catalog. So when you send an inquiry to your supplier or the suppliers that you have chosen and that you have liked their stuff, and they reply, ask them if they have WhatsApp. Ask them for their WhatsApp number so you guys can take the conversation there, because I think it would be more convenient for you to get a quicker response instead of going on Alibaba all the time. So go on WhatsApp, hit them up. Hey, this is Andile Mkhize. I'm from South Africa. Please, can you show me your catalog? Ask for a catalog. And they will send you a catalog of all the things that they sell. They should have a catalog. Or a price list. Or a price list. But a catalog they should definitely have. And just ask them how much is shipping. What kind of shipping do they use? So the kind of shipping that I would recommend is air freight shipping, which means it travels in the air and not through the ocean. And air freight shipping should and usually takes 5 to 10 working days from China to South Africa. Wherever you are, they will deliver to your door. You don't have to go to the post office. They will deliver to your door. So make sure you put your correct physical address. They will not send it to PEP or to Postnet. So they will directly send it to your physical address. If you feel like you don't want them to send it to your physical address, or you'd rather send it to your workplace, by all means you can do that. But air freights consist of companies like FedEx, DHL, TNT, apps. You might think that shipping is expensive, but you can negotiate the price. Hence why you have them on WhatsApp. Tell them, no, yes, can you please lower this price by $50? Or if you order more, obviously you pay a bit less for shipping for the stuff that you're ordering. And things are not the same. The shipping for bags, because bags are heavy, is not the same shipping for lingerie, because lingerie is lightweight. So also put that into consideration. When you're ordering samples, order probably 3 or 4 or 5 items or samples. If you want to sell hair, or if you're selling hair, order maybe 2 wigs, or throw in a bundle. Order a wig in a bundle and order a closure, try and mix it up to see the different quality of those different items that they provide. So in terms of payment and paying your suppliers, please download PayPal. PayPal is like a platform. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a bank, so to say, that you add your card details on PayPal. PayPal is an app. You add your card details on PayPal, and then you will receive that person's email address, your supplier's email address, that is linked to their PayPal, and it reflects instantly if you make a payment on PayPal to another PayPal. So for example, it's like Capitec to Capitec or FNB to FNB. It reflects immediately. Like Capitec, you need a person's cell phone number to pay Capitec to Capitec cell phone banking. Same with PayPal. It reflects instantly. So download PayPal, or you can pay through Alibaba. They will send you a link, and you have to load your card details, your card number, your card expiry date, and your CVV, which is the 3 digits behind your bank card. Well, this brings us to the end of our video, and please remember guys, finding a supplier is not easy and it does take time, so just keep going through it consistently. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification button. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section and I will answer to them. Until next week guys, thank you.